Welcome. Now let's go ahead and enter into the folder. So we say cd angular press tab, and now we will install three libraries, which is Bootstrap, SweetLR2, axios, and use minus minus save save. This will install the dependencies and also add entry to our package JSON file, so that in future if someone is using our app, they have the entry and it will install the right dependency for them. So with these three dependencies, we are good with the configuration. In the next video, we will discuss further about the folder structure and files. Thank you.